Hello everyone, I am Brinda from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. In this video, let us discuss about the concurrent model in software engineering. So the title of this video is Concurrent Model in a Software Engineering. Let us start with the introduction. When we come to the definition of the concurrency, it mainly refers to the execution of multiple instruction sequences at the same time. When the sequence of instructions of any code or the program is executed one by one, it's called as a concurrency. In other terms, it means in a software, it means multiple tasks or processes running in a parallel or overlapping in a time. When we come to the model, in the concurrent model, it's a model in a software engineering when more than one phase in a project is under development at any one time instead of one phase at a time. This model supports the concept of concurrency in that design code, test, and another related phase occurs simultaneously. Why concurrency important in every model of a software engineering? The first point, it improves the performance. Concurrency improves performance by maximizing the utilization of system resources. It means whenever the instructions of a code, task, or the processes, multiple processes are executed in a sequence, that is one by one, concurrently, hence it improves the performance of all the instructions, code, and processors as well. So it utilizes the system resources in CPU, for example, CPU and memory. The second point is responsiveness. Enables applications to be more responsive. Examples, interactive user interfaces. So when the instructions are executed in a sequence in a more responsible manner when they are user understandable form. Hence, it's the interactive user interface will be more in a concurrency model. The third point is scalability. It supports scaling software applications across multiple processes or machines. Now let us come to the model working, how concurrent model will work. The first that is inactive state. It means no activity or state can be performed. It means whenever the processing model at the initial state or any intermediate state, if none of the activities are done by it, it is termed as inactive state. The second one is under development. When it is the development of the model is not yet completed, not yet completed, it is in under development state. At that time, any activity is performed. When the processing model is under processing or improvement state, some activity has to be performed by it. It is termed as the under development state. The third one is awaiting changes. If customer want any changes, the model is ready to or accept all the inputs from the customers, and it is ready to satisfy all the needs of them. The fourth one is under review, testing activity start. It means after completion of the model, it has to test the activity, that how it is to be performed, when it has to be performed, like that. And the fifth point is under revision state. Do all required changes. If any changes has to be done here in this state, while revising the model or the project, in the state of this, the any required changes will be performed, or any changes if needed, it can be changed as well. And the next is baseline. As per the SRS document, it will be work upon that. Next is project is completed and deployed. Okay, what are the components of the concurrent model? In every concurrent model has to be involved these three components here. The first one is concurrency control, next is synchronization, and the third one is communication. Well, concurrency control. What is concurrency control means? Mechanisms to handle the consistency. Example, logs, semaphores, atomic operations has to be handled uh, by the data consistency. And the next one is synchronization. Ensures that concurrent process or threads do not interfere with each other's execution. And the next one is communication. Mechanisms such as message passing, shared memory, or queues for communication between the concurrent tasks. Okay, now let's see the advantages of the concurrent development model. This model is applicable to all types of software development process. It is easy for understanding and use. The next is it gives immediate feedback from testing. It provides an accurate picture of the current state of a project. Next, thank you.